Hey guys, look how nice it is with MPB today. Everybody is eating for free. Got a bunch of birds here. They're actually eating whole wheat bread. They're eating healthy. When you have MPB today, you don't have to worry about food. You have enough food for yourself and you have a lot of food to give away to somebody else. So you can share it. You can give to the people in need, or you can help animals. Get them food. It's so much fun to watch all those birds eat and have a good time. You sit and drink your coffee in the morning and you watch some birds. You don't have to go to the zoo in order to watch birds. You can just watch it in your house. This is amazing. So much fun. Don't work hard, work smart. Do the job one time so you can get paid over and over again instead of working hard and get paid less. Learn how to work less and get paid more. Join MPB today and change your life. This is January 1st, 2011, January 1st. And right in front of my house, we're having every day the birds having a party, as you can see. Everybody know my house. They're telling their friends, and look what happened when they're telling their friends. That's what's going to happen for you. You tell a few people, they're going to tell a few people. In no time, you're going to have a lot of people knows about what you got, and you're going to make a lot of money. You can travel and still get your check in the mailbox and go shopping for free. Buy whatever you like and give it to whoever you want. So much fun. Yeah, they're coming from everywhere.